If you've come across Klook and you're wondering what it is and whether you can trust it, then this video is for you. Today, I'll explain everything in a simple way so you can decide if Klook is right for you. Klook is an online travel platform that was founded in 2014 and is based in Hong Kong. It allows users to book travel-related services like attraction tickets, tours, activities, transport, and even some hotel deals all in one place. The main idea of Klook is to make travel easier by letting you book experiences in advance, often at discounted prices. Now let's talk about the most important question: is Klook legit? The simple answer is yes, Klook is a legitimate company. It is a well-known global platform used by millions of travelers and is even backed by major investors and competing with big travel companies. Many users successfully book tickets and activities through Klook and receive valid vouchers that can be used at destinations. In fact, Klook generally has strong customer ratings, with many users praising its easy booking process, competitive pricing, and convenience. It's especially popular for booking theme park tickets, tours, and transport passes in countries like Japan, Thailand, and Singapore. However, like any platform, it's not perfect. Klook works as a middleman. It connects you with local service providers instead of running the activities itself. Because of this, some users have reported issues like delayed refunds, last-minute cancellations, or slow customer support in certain cases. Here's what real users say on forums like Reddit. It's reliable, but if something goes wrong, support can be difficult. This means that while most bookings go smoothly, problems can happen, especially if you need changes or refunds. So, in simple words, Klook is legit and safe to use, but you should use it smartly. Always read the cancellation policy, check reviews of the activity, and avoid last-minute risky bookings. To sum it up, Klook is a trusted travel booking platform that can help you save time and money, but like any online service, it works best when you understand its rules and use it carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple guides like this. See you in the next video.